Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn hidden features of website e-commerce product page. I know that lot of people using Odoo and Odoo Shop e-commerce website, right? But some feature we don't know and we are just developing using the customization and we are adding lot of code, lot of things that already Odoo provides. So we will just explore few things which is very easy to configure in website shop, right? So user can understand how we can add some useful points, right? So if we go to website shop and I open this product, so here we will see how we can add some extra features. So this is the product page, detail page, and I just activated website editor and then click on edit. And here if I click on customize option, and you can see this is already some features like terms and conditions. So you can just enable disable from here. If you don't know, then you need to do using customization using third party module to inherit and just hide this, right? So this is already in order to show or hide this terms and conditions, right? And this is share button. We have already this share button. So if you want to keep or hide, then in this way we can. And also the rating feature is available, so customer can write the rating of the buy, whatever they buy this product, right? You can see here, they can write rating, and here it will visible this conversation. And also here customer can select the quantity how much they want. But if you don't allow to like select quantity, then you can just disable this, so it will only add one quantity, right? So this is how we can just hide or show this kind of things. And here if your product price includes a tax or like exclude tax, then you can just enable this so user can understand that this price tax excluded or included, right? And here the variants we have options or product list, so this will visible in the list here. And this is product tags. Currently I think we don't have product tags here, that's why it will not uh, visible. But if you add product tags in backend, then it will visible here. And then here buy now, right? We have already add to cart, but buy now it will directly it will uh, go to the process page, right? So this is also we can add this button. And the most important is if you want to add here more description. Let's say this is product name and short description which we add on backend e-commerce description. But if you want to add here like detailed description for this specific product, then we have already this section, more the information, right? We can just enable and we can just add here extra information, right? So this is very simple, we can add here anything, right? This is like HTML formatted, so we can add here any media, right? Any file link, external link, etc. So this is very most important. And this is image with height, like you can set where the layout of the specific image, zoom here like magnify hover if it means currently it is on editor mode. Otherwise you can see if you just click over your mouse, then it will magnify, it means zoom. And you can set different other option pop up on click. So if you click, then it will it will open a pop-up, and you can just see this kind of multiple images in the big size view, right? And you can add here extra image, something main image, right? So you can add here media. So this is how we can add some useful information, right, on the product page, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you so much.